Round 2 of the HostPlus Cup saw the game at Pigabeen between the Tweed Seagulls and the Sunshine Coast Falcons. These highlights thanks to Super Cheap Auto. An early try for Tweed through Lee Turner in just the 4th minute. Tweed were in again 11 minutes later when Brent Wolfe crossed. It was all one-way traffic in the first half. Craig Garvey crossing for Tweed in the 30th minute. At the break, the Seagulls were in front of the Falcons, 16 points to 0. 12 minutes into the second half and Will Brimson crossed for Tweed. The match was put beyond doubt when Josh Patston crossed in the 63rd minute. A consolation try for the Falcons in the 71st minute when Will Warbrick crossed. But in the end, it was a comprehensive victory for Tweed over the Falcons, 28 points to 6. Peter Basoldas, Queensland Rugby League.